I am a firm believer that planning your meals is fundamental in spending less and working less. Today, I will show you how to prepare a delicious, fast and simple chicken filling that I use for arepas, which I will demonstrate in a future video. This also works great on a sandwich or pita bread. Hello, I'm Rosalia. Welcome to The Detalles. In order to make the most of my time, I make sure that I have some of my basic ingredients such as chicken ready to go. I boil 2 chicken breasts with water, chicken bouillons, garlic, onion, bell peppers and cilantro. I let the chicken cool down before shredding it and put it into containers in the freezer. You can also save the leftover chicken broth. What I have here is 1 chicken breast already cooked and shredded, and we're gonna use 2 or 3 avocados. I don't know yet until I see it. I went ahead and put 3 avocados because they were small. With 1 chicken breast you can feed 4 people in your family, but also you can add more avocados if you have more people. I have the avocado and the chicken here, and I'm going to add a pinch of salt, and that's not too much, it's just a tiny bit to your taste, of course. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of mayonnaise. I don't like to use the fat-free because it doesn't taste the same. And then you're gonna smash the avocados. At this point, I already have all the avocados smashed, but I left some of the pieces already, big pieces of avocado, and I'm all ready to assemble my sandwiches. Preparing key ingredients you use in advance takes the stress out of cooking quick, healthy meals. I hope you have enjoyed today's recipe. For more recipes, please be sure and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.